Musamseleku can't separate Mangwabe and Makumalo. If he had a fight with Makumalo, he had a fight with Mangwabe. Mangwabe always standing with Makumalo. We didn't see Musamseleku posting Mangwabe on his Instagram because they are not getting along with Makumalo. Mangwabe can't be happy on her marriage with Musamseleku if Makumalo is crying the way Musamseleku want to separate them. Musamseleku and Mangwabe, they are in good relationship, but they are not in good relationship with Makumalo. Makumalo and Mangwabe, they can tell each other that we have to divorce Musamseleku. Musamseleku, he knows that he is going to lose two wives. Musamseleku, that's why he doesn't want to separate with Makumalo, but deep down in his heart, he knows that he is no longer in love with Makumalo, but he doesn't want to lose Mangwabe because if Makumalo decides to leave the marriage forever, Mangwabe is going to be the next. He knows that. That's why Musamseleku, he is keeping to be with Makumalo, but he knows that he is protecting Mangwabe because Mangwabe and Makumalo, they are in same team. It's not like Macele and Mayeni. That's why you saw Musamseleku, he is spending time with Mayeni and Macele because he knows that Mangwabe and Makumalo, they are in same team. Mangwabe, she can post the pictures with Makumalo, not with Musamseleku. Last time we saw Musamseleku and Makumalo, they are in event. So Makumalo doesn't want to take pictures with Musamseleku. She was in serious. Musamseleku was the one who posted a picture with Makumalo on his Instagram. But Makumalo didn't post that picture. Makumalo posted a story on that or they are in event with their friends at that day. But she didn't post Musamseleku. It's a red flag that Makumalo, she doesn't want anything to do with Musamseleku, but he knows that he can't separate Mangwabe and Makumalo because when he had a fight with Makumalo, Mangwabe always telling Makumalo everything. If Musamseleku came at her house, Mangwabe was always telling Makumalo. At that day, Makumalo, when she saw Musamseleku was at Mangwabe's house, you don't know that maybe Mangwabe was the one who called Makumalo that came and see Musamseleku. Musamseleku was the one who told Makumalo that I don't want to come at your houses now. I'm not ready to marry any Mangwabe and Makumalo. So what I saw, Mangwabe maybe was the one who called Makumalo, who sent a message to Makumalo. Musamseleku opened Mangwabe's phone and they are busy talking about Musamseleku. I don't understand Musamseleku what he was doing at Mangwabe's phone because they are always discussing about him. So Musamseleku have a message that message was the Makumalo what she said about Musamseleku. So Musamseleku got angry. That's why Makumalo is calling me with some of the names. So Musamseleku knows that he can't separate Mangwabe and Makumalo. That's why Musamseleku doesn't want to tell Makumalo that it's over. If he tells Makumalo it's over, he knows that even to Mangwabe it's over. So guys, those people, they are in bond because what I saw, Mangwabe and Makumalo, they meet. Musamseleku was the one who introduced each other that this is my girlfriend, but those people, they already know each other. Friendship was very big. Even Mangwabe, when she started coming in Muzumbe, Makumalo was the one who welcomed Mangwabe with a big welcome that I know her. Mangwabe feels comfortable because of Makumalo. You understand? Even Mayeni and Macele, they don't like them. But she feels comfortable because of Makhumalo. Makhumalo was the reason why Mangwabe, she stays in Muzumbe, because Makhumalo was always comforting Mangwabe. But Makhumalo, guys, Musamseleku, he knows that if he lose Makhumalo, they divorce, or Mangwabe decide to divorce Musamseleku, Makhumalo is going to divorce Musamseleku again.